Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, what are the risks of filing a trademark yourself? So, your trademarks are the company and product names, slogans, marketing pieces that you put on your products so that when consumers look at them, they know the source and the quality of what they're buying. Those are your trademarks. A lot of people confuse trademark and copyright. When you hear about trademark, immediately think of branding. That's the layperson term that I affiliate with trademark. And so if you want the exclusive right to use your trademarks on your products and services, it's best to register your trademarks with the U.S. Trademark Office. It's a process. It's an application with a filing fee. You have to tell them what your product is, what you're claiming is your trademark, provide a sample, pay the filing fee, which can be up to $3.75 per category of product and service. So if your products span more than one category, you're going to have to pay more than one filing fee. And it takes usually at least 8 months to get a trademark all the way through the process in the best of circumstances. I think that's the fastest one I've gotten through. So what are the risks of filing it yourself? Well, the risk is you could do it wrong. You could waste a lot of money. You could waste a lot of time. So how can it go wrong? Well, if you file a trademark that's already been claimed by somebody else, there's no way you can have that same trademark if somebody's already has a registered trademark for the same trademark or something that's confusingly similar. So in that situation, the trademark office will send you an office action saying, we have a problem, you can't have this trademark ever, you're done. There are some trademarks that aren't trademarkable because what you're claiming as your trademark is actually a generic term. And there are times that you can't register a trademark if your trademark is what's called descriptive. You can submit the application, but you can't get full protection until you have what's called acquired distinctiveness, which can take up to 5 years. So it's best to go into these circumstances understanding what type of trademark you likely have, if you're going to encounter any issues with filing a certain trademark. If you want to submit it yourself, you can. And then if you get an office action, which is the trademarks office way of saying we have a problem, then you definitely want to consult an attorney for that one and try to salvage your application. But I have told people that they can try to file their own if I think it's simple enough, and if they're on such a shoestring budget they can't afford an attorney. I understand that, but I would tell them consult with an attorney before you file to make sure that you have your ducks in a row, that you are providing the proper information, that you claim the proper category for your goods or service. And so that way you're less likely to encounter problems along the way. And if you do encounter problems, immediately call your lawyer to help you either take over your application or to walk you through the process to submit a response to that office action. Because if you don't respond to it, your application will be dead. And if you want to try again, you have to file another filing fee. And so those are kind of the risks, is that it can take longer to get the application through. It could be incomplete. You could be wasting your money. And if you're trying to do it yourself, there are plenty of people who are smart enough to figure it out themselves. But in regards to how much time and energy you're going to spend doing that versus how much easier and more cost effective it would be in the long run to just hire an attorney to take care of that, and instead of putting those hours into filing your trademark, you can be putting those hours into making money and spending less overall in terms of time and money by just letting the professionals do it for you. So those are all things to think about if you want to try to file your trademark yourself. So This has been a bit of a long video for me, but I thank you all for watching. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about your trademark needs, feel free to give me a call, send me an email, leave a comment below. Always happy to talk shop with people. So thank you for watching. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.